Picking the best project management app just got a whole lot easier. In this video, we'll go over the pros and cons of top project management apps Asana and Trello. So sit back, relax, and let the face-off begin. In a nutshell, Asana is best for tech-savvy managers who oversee complex projects with a lot of moving parts. Here are a few pros. Whether you like managing projects via list, calendar, or timeline, Asana has a variety of ways for your team to keep tabs on what's going on. With a built-in conversations function, it's easy to discuss projects inside the app. You can even have emails sent directly to your inbox when a task is updated, so you're always in the loop. For each task created, you can add a deadline, description, color-coded tags, and subtasks with due dates for each task. Teammates can also follow and comment as they please. The biggest con of Asana is that it can be overwhelming at times. There's so many bells and whistles, so you really have to be willing to put in the time and effort to make the most of this tool. Now on to Trello. To sum it up, Trello is best for visual workers who want to collaborate in a simple way. Here are a few pros. Trello is incredibly easy to use. The crux of this tool is moving cards from column to column across your board until a task is completed. Better yet, little to no technical experience is required to get started. With color-coded tags and due dates along with pictures of your teammates, reading boards is always visually pleasing and easy to understand. Lastly, Trello is flexible. It can be used for any type of team collaboration, even if it's not project-based, which makes it more desirable for teams that collaborate on many different types of tasks. The biggest con of Trello is that it's too simple for complex projects. Trello is great for small teams looking to collaborate, but it's not the best for larger organizations with a lot of moving parts. So there you have it, Asana versus Trello. Be sure to check out our blog for the full scoop on these project management apps and more.